Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to know how to download the Python. Open the Chrome browser and search Python. Open the link downloads. Click on downloads and click on Python latest version 3.12.4. Scroll down and click on Windows 64-bit. It was downloading. Click on both Use Admin and Add Python. Later, click on Customization Installation. Click on Next and click on Installation. After installing, go to search for whether the Python is installed or not. Command prompt and open. I want to know what version I was installed. Now give the text Python. Double slash and version and enter. I have installed latest version 3.12.4. Again come back. Now again search IDLE. As Python was installed.